So this US 30 analysis for Friday the 16th of March. Now let's just have a look at what prices, where prices may likely go. So previously we saw a series of lower highs in towards this 24,700, from which we did see buy side momentum return to the market. So we formed a bit of a double bottom, slightly, probably say it's a low, slightly higher low, from which we had a test of the 2864. Had a brief pullback, posted another higher low. We've had a move up to beyond the 400 period moving average, head up towards that 2560. From there, we did see sell side momentum take us back down towards that 24864. We've had a move up towards the 200 period moving average. We've had a rejection testing the 2864. We've had another move upwards, and it does appear to be capped, even though we've had quite a bit of buy side momentum off this 24864. So if we do see the continued sell side momentum, we'll see if we do find support at the 2864. Successful break from which we're looking for prices to head down to our this swing low here. Where is that? This swing low in around that 750, 760. If we are able to successfully navigate the 750, 760, we are looking for price to head down towards that 24,700, and a successful break from there, we're looking for price to head down towards that 24,650. Now, if we did see the buy side momentum return from where we are at present, if we do turn around where we are, or we do see support at the 2864, again we'll see our price direct towards a 200 period moving average, after which we're looking for 25,000 with the added confluence of the 400 period moving average, and a break from there, we're looking at a most recent swing high in the market in around that 2560. If there is sufficient volatility, 25,101 may come into focus, but I wouldn't anticipate us moving much beyond the 25,101. The very next level above the 25,101 is previous swing here in the market, where we did have this bit of a consolidation, slightly in around the 21,158, in around the 21,158, 25,158, in around the 25,160. That's what I meant to say. 25,160. So in around that 25,160, if we don't find resistance around 200 period moving average or the 25,000 with added confluence to the 400 period moving average, 25,101 and 25,160 are the levels that we are looking at if we do see this continued recovery here on the US 30. If we do see this continued recovery, those are levels that we are looking at. But if we did break down, I would expect far in the range, possibly being around 24,700, or if we did break there, 24,650. And with that said, that pretty much wraps up the US 30 analysis. If we have a look at the daily chart just briefly, so we did post a bullish day yesterday with a wick to the upside. Most recent trend still appears to be to the downside, despite having the one bullish day. We'll see how prices develop during the US session. But overall, we've got a lower high there, possibly a third lower high. But we do have to be aware that we have our lows and we have a higher low. So prices are going to a bit of a price contraction squeeze here, setting up for a potential breakout, either to the upside or the downside. But there is a bias on the US 30, as with all indexes, to the upside. There is a slight bias to the upside on indexes, and over time they tend to trend upwards. So I possibly expect something similar on the US 30 for it to long to medium term. And with that said, US 30 analysis. Thanks for watching.